It's a political standoff situation that's escalating outside Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence over allegations by him that he is under house arrest. These are the scenes from there. I'm going to take you live now. Manish Sisodia, the Deputy Chief Minister, is speaking.
सीएम साहब को हाउस अरेस्ट करके रखा हुआ है। लोग मिलने जाना चाह रहे हैं, वो कह रहे हैं आप आईडी कार्ड दिखाइए, दो तीन लोगों को हम लेके जाएंगे। ये क्या सीएम साहब कह दिए जिनसे मिलवाने के लिए पुलिस लेके जाएगी दो तीन लोगों को? ये किस हक से कह रहे हैं? किससे लेके कह रहे हैं? मैं डीसीपी साहब से कह रहा हूँ, भाई मैं डिप्टी सीएम हूँ, मुझे ये लोग सब लोग अपने लोग हैं। सीएम साहब मिलना चाह रहे हैं, अंदर जाने दो उनको। वो कह रहे हैं जी नहीं ऐसे नहीं जाने देंगे। अब ये यहाँ से डीसीपी साहब भी गायब हो गए। वो कह रहे हैं यहाँ से कि अंदर गए, अंदर वाले कह रहे हैं वहाँ तो नहीं है।
किससे बात कर रहे हैं? मनीष, आपकी अंदर बात हुई, सीएम ऑफिस में आपकी बात हुई?
सीएम ऑफिस चाह रहा है कि ये सारे लोग अंदर आ जाएं। सीएम साहब मिलना चाह रहे हैं। ये लोग कह रहे हैं हम सीएम साहब से मिलने नहीं देंगे। यही तो हाउस अरेस्ट होता है।
आप डेली जाते हैं, हम देखते हैं।
सीपी साहब कह रहे हैं कि हाउस अरेस्ट नहीं है।
आप लगभग हर हफ्ते में 2-3 बार जाते हैं।
मैं रोज दिन में 3 बार जाता हूँ।
आज दिक्कत क्या आ रही है?
आज दिक्कत ये आ रही है कि जो लोग जाना चाह रहे हैं उनको जाने नहीं दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे से। सीएम साहब से लोग मिलना जाना चाह रहे हैं, ये लोग मिलने नहीं जाने देना चाह रहे हैं। बोले हम तय करेंगे कौन मिलेगा और कौन नहीं मिलेगा। इसका मतलब सीएम हाउस अरेस्ट पे ले रखे हैं इन्होंने। सीएम साहब ने इनको किसानों को जेल में डालने से, जेल देने से मना कर दिया। इन्होंने सीएम साहब के घर को जेल बना के रखा हुआ है इस समय।
I want to go across to Aishwarya Paliwal, who's been reporting from outside the Delhi Chief Minister's residence for a few hours now. She's been covering this escalating situation. Aishwarya, Manish Sisodia, what is he alleging precisely? Is he saying that he's not being allowed to go in to meet his boss, the Chief Minister of Delhi? Or is it that Arvind Kejriwal is not being allowed out?
Shiv, at the moment, what the Deputy Chief Minister is saying is both those things. He's saying he's come here with the party supporters. There are people who want to meet the Chief Minister. He's also claiming the Chief Minister also wants to meet him. But neither is the Chief Minister being allowed to come out, nor is the Deputy Chief Minister allowed to go inside. From what you see behind me, these are images of an escalating situation right outside the Chief Minister's house. People have come here with speakers. AAP supporters are sloganeering. They are chanting slogans against Delhi police, also chanting slogans against the Bharatiya Janata Party. They are claiming Chief Minister has been inside his house. See, the Delhi police deployment is also very heavy here, Shiv, clearly pointing towards the fact that the Delhi police is anticipating the situation might go out of hand. A few minutes back, we did see there were clashes taking place between the AAP supporters. They wanted to go inside, meet the Chief Minister. The Delhi police standing firm, not allowing them to go inside. The barricades were also put up, but now those barricades have been removed by AAP supporters. AAP supporters are claiming, including, see, you'll be able to hear, that is the Deputy Chief Minister, Manish Sisodia, speaking again and again, asking the Delhi police personnel why is he not being allowed to go inside. So the situation here clearly very tense. AAP has a claim which says the Chief Minister is not being allowed to go inside, and this especially after he met the farmers at the Singhu border. Just listen, Shiv, to what Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia is saying.
Yes, let's listen to him.
He's asking the police personnel to remove the barricades. He's asking them clearly, what are your orders? Tell me what your orders exactly are, Shiv.
Aishwarya, stay with me. Let's just listen into some of that audio now.
यार एक मिनट, आपको ऑर्डर क्या है? बैरिकेड से पार किसी को नहीं जाने देना है।
ऑडियो सुन रहे हैं वो लोग।
क्या ऑर्डर है आपको? क्या ऑर्डर है आपको? कि लोगों को सीएम के दरवाजे तक नहीं जाने देना है।
Manish Sisodia facing off with the Delhi police. Let's listen in. Let's keep this audio on.
साहब किससे ऑर्डर है? किसने आपको कहा कि सीएम के दरवाजे तक आम आदमी को नहीं जाने देंगे आप? कहाँ है आपके डीसीपी साहब? कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे। आपसे सीनियर कोई है यहाँ पे? और बुलाओ एसीपी साहब। एसीपी साहब, नीरज जी, ऑर्डर्स क्या हैं आप लोगों को? कि बैरिकेडिंग करके रखनी है, किसी को जाने नहीं देना? नहीं, मेरे जाने की बात नहीं है, बात यह है कि इनको क्यों नहीं जाने देंगे? छोड़ दीजिए। तो ये ऑर्डर किससे हैं आपको कि 10-20 लोगों को जाने देंगे केवल? यहाँ पर अब आइडेंटिफाई करना सिक्योरिटी से बड़ी मुश्किल है। यहाँ रेसिडेंट्स भी रह रहे हैं सर सारे। ये आप रोज तो नहीं करते वैसे? रोज तो नहीं करते आप ये ऐसे? नहीं, ये रोज सीएम का घर तो यहाँ पिछले 6 साल से है, आपने तो कभी किया ऐसा? कैसी परिस्थिति है, वही तो मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, क्या परिस्थिति है, किसने ऑर्डर दे रखे, किस परिस्थिति के तहत ऑर्डर दिए गए आपको? तो अभी भी खोल दीजिए, ये कल से बंद किया हुआ है ना, कल 2 बजे से बैरिकेड लगाई आपने।
ग्रुप में आ रहे हैं, आइडेंटिफाई करना मुश्किल।
तो आप कब से करने लगे? एक सेकंड नीरज जी, कब से आइडेंटिफाई करने लगे आप? ये कल दोपहर से ना? कल दोपहर से पहले तो यहां से आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करते थे आप? वही मैं पूछ रहा हूं ना, ये सिचुएशन का ऑर्डर किसने दिया आपको कि यहां से आइडेंटिफाई करके जाएंगे लोग? तो गलत डिसाइड कर रहे हो, फिर आप हटाओ। तो सबको जाने दो, क्या दिक्कत है? तो सबको जाने दो, आप बैरिकेड खोलो ना। झूठ बोल रहे हो आप, आपने आप बैरिकेड खोलिए, सब जाएंगे ये। यार ये एमएलए और काउंसिलर का सीएम नहीं है खाली, ये आपने कल एमएलए को भी पीटा है, वो भी देखे हमने। ये सारे आइडेंटिफाइड हैं, मैं जानता हूं उनको सबको, मैं जानता हूं उनको सबको। किससे सीएम ऑफिस से तो मैं ना विभव कर रहे हैं, आपसे वैभव बात कर रहे हैं, हद हो गई। आप वैभव की बात नहीं मानोगे, सीएम के सेक्रेटरी की बात नहीं मानोगे, डिप्टी सीएम की बात नहीं मानोगे, आप इतना करोगे सब कुछ, फिर तो इसका मतलब अरेस्ट आपके, इसका मतलब सीएम आपके अरेस्ट में है ना? नजर बंद करके रखा हुआ है ना सीएम को आपने, तो हटाओ फिर यहां से इसको। तो सीएम ने मना नहीं किया आपको, सीएम ने मना किया यहां से? सीएम ने मना किया आपको यहां से आगे ले जाने के लिए?
अरे हम तो रोज आते हैं, तो पहली बार आपको देख रहे हैं खड़े हो। सर हम तो रोज
एक सेकंड,
पहली बार देख रहा है आपको हमने। प्रॉब्लम नहीं,
मैं ले रहा हूं जिम्मेदारी, जाने दो ना, इसमें क्या है भाई, मैं जानता हूं उनको सबको। मैं तो सबको जानता हूं, सबको जानता हूं।
Sisodia there facing off with the Delhi police. We just put the audio up so you can listen to it live. That was Manish Sisodia demanding to know why the Aam Aadmi, so-called Aam Aadmi, is not being allowed inside the Chief Minister's residence. I mean, of course, there are COVID protocols and a lot of other things to think about. It's not clear just yet because the allegation by the Aam Aadmi Party is that the Chief Minister of Delhi is under house arrest. The Delhi police says there's no such thing. It's completely baseless. He's free to go like he did last night as well. So this is a bit of a peculiar situation. But Aishwarya, if you can hear me, amidst that crowd, it's strange because the Bharat Bandh has ended, but it looks like this situation is definitely escalating, Aishwarya.
Definitely, Shiv, I can hear you. Yes, see, you will be able to see the AAP supporters are present in large numbers, and this is what is giving actually the Delhi police personnel present here is making them actually nervous, because you can see the number of people who have gathered here. Deputy Chief Minister again and again asking one simple question: what is it which is stopping them from going inside? Now you can see there are talks which are taking place between the Deputy Chief Minister. He's asking them again and again one simple question: why am I and my supporters, those who are Aam Aadmi Party supporters, why are they not allowed to go inside? The situation is still tense. The large number of AAP supporters present here, large number of Delhi police personnel also present here, Shiv.
And the numbers are only increasing. I mean, it looks like every time we speak, Aishwarya, the numbers of persons, reaching here is actually increasing. Is there, is there any attempt being made by both sides to kind of discuss this? The Bharat Bandh itself is actually over, even though the farmers' protest has continued. Arvind Kejriwal had gone yesterday to meet with the farmers, and it is after that meeting that the Aam Aadmi Party is alleging that he's been put under house arrest. Are you hearing of any attempts being made to diffuse this situation? Because over and above everything else, this looks like a COVID-19 nightmare for so many people to be crowding in this manner.
Definitely, Shiv, definitely it is a nightmare, and this after we saw the kind of numbers which are coming out from the national capital, and this happening right outside the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's house is a worrisome situation. A lot of people, Shiv, let me tell you, I am here and not following the protocols. Most of the people are not maintaining social distancing. A lot of them, even Shiv, are not wearing masks. But the COVID situation aside, it looks like people have forgotten. We still are waiting for a vaccine. We haven't got one, but the people here very forcefully, and the numbers just keep on swelling. AAP supporters are coming in from all the corners of the national capital, right outside Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's house. Manish Sisodia there, again and again trying to ask the Delhi police, who's giving you orders? What are those orders? Why am I not being allowed to meet the Delhi Chief Minister? Aam Aadmi Party is also claiming, Shiv, this is only because Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal went and showed solidarity with the farmers. He was at the Singhu border yesterday. They are claiming this is being done because the government is scared of what might happen if Aam Aadmi Party throws its weight behind the protesting farmers. The numbers still swelling. Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia still trying to have a dialogue with the Delhi police there, Shiv.
Okay, the dialogue appears to be pretty tenuous, but this is very, very clearly a pitched battle. Let's try and see if we can hear anything more. Let's see if we can get some more audio from the ground. We can clearly see Manish Sisodia talking there, gesticulating there, and a police officer speaking with him. Let's see if we can pick up some audio.
सीएम ऑफिस कह रहा हो कि भाई लोगों को आने दो, और पुलिस बाहर खड़े होकर कहने दो नहीं आने देंगे। तो उस ड्यूटी में किसके आदेश पालन कर रहे हैं वो तो बता दो। तो हटाओ, फिर इसको हटाओ। इसको हटवाइए नीरज जी, मजाक नहीं है, सुनिए, मजाक नहीं है। आप ठीक है, आप भी अच्छे हैं, हम भी आपके साथ हैं, आप हमारे साथ हैं, लेकिन इसको खोलिए। सेग्रीगेट क्यों कर दें यार? यार आप तय करोगे सेग्रीगेट कर देंगे? ये नहीं, आपकी रिक्वेस्ट खारिज हो गई। ये इतनी बड़ी संख्या थोड़ी है, 2,000 लोगों की मीटिंग होती है अंदर। तो अंदर 2,000 लोगों की मीटिंग होती है अंदर। आप 50 लोगों को कह रहे हैं कि सेग्रीगेट करके जाओ। हमारा टाइम खराब, गलत नंबर डायल कर रहे हैं हम लोग, इसी बार गलत नंबर डायल कर रहे हैं। क्या डिप्टी सीएम साहब का टाइम खराब कर दास्तान है ये सब अपने सीएम चलेगा। सीएम साहब
de-escalating anytime soon. The numbers, it's a sit-in. It's almost like a sit-in protest, one that the Aam Aadmi Party is very proficient in. Street fighting politics is something that's very much up the Aam Aadmi Party's alley, and that is being put on full display at this time. It seems a little unsettling during during the COVID-19 pandemic, as we've seen every party indulge in this sort of thing, towards political ends, political rallies, campaigning and other such activities. This time the Bharat Bandh has afforded the Aam Aadmi Party an opportunity for a sit-in where you've got large numbers of people. I don't want to hazard a guess because the camera frame only provides you with so much as far as the number of people who've arrived there, but this is rapidly becoming a sort of mini political platform for the Aam Aadmi Party to prove its point. The Delhi police on the one side and the Aam Aadmi Party on the other. This is a kind of standoff that the Aam Aadmi Party is very, very used to, it's very comfortable in. It has used to amplify its stand against the BJP in the past as well, to underscore, a level of victimhood, of being oppressed as well. But the BJP in this case says there is no question of any sort of house arrest and that those allegations are completely baseless. This standoff, Aishwarya, has been simmering for hours now, right through today, and it doesn't appear to be winding down at all. There has to be some kind of a break in this impasse, because it's ridiculous to see such large numbers of people crowding outside the home of a chief minister.
Well, Shiv, I wish I could tell you the situation is improving, but unfortunately it is not. The numbers are just swelling up. People there still sloganeering, chanting against the Delhi police. The Delhi police too, in fact, Shiv, is not backing. You can see they are still standing there. Barricades are up. Time and again, whenever Manish Sisodia is asking a question, the Delhi police personnel are giving him different answers. Sometimes they say the chief minister himself does not want to meet him. At times they say they are waiting for orders. But Aam Aadmi Party supporters not ready to budge. It feels like they are ready to stay here even if it takes for the next couple of hours. They are ready to do that, something which Aam Aadmi Party supporters are a veteran at doing, Shiv. And the most concerning thing at the moment is this is COVID times, and this is happening right outside Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's residence. Saurabh Bharadwaj too present at the site. He too was trying to go inside, but he was not allowed. And now discussion is going on between the Delhi police personnel and Deputy Chief Minister. You'll be able to see the Delhi police, in fact, is making a video there, Shiv.
Yeah.
Just a couple of minutes back, we also saw the Delhi police was keeping an eye on the protest using a drone. Delhi police personnel making videos there, capturing everything that is happening right outside Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's house. And the numbers just keep on swelling. In fact, I'll ask Ritesh to just go back so that you'll be able to get a clear view of the number of people who have come in. They have made a semicircle right outside his house. On one hand, you have the Delhi police personnel. The barricades are up. That's the Chief Minister's house right there. And AAP supporters arriving in large numbers.
Yes.
In fact, this entire road has been cornered off, Shiv. People are just coming in large numbers. Delhi police personnel, the number of Delhi police personnel is also increasing. It looks like this is a stalemate which will take a couple of hours to be resolved, Shiv.
That's true. It doesn't look like it's going to end anytime soon. I mean, these are images of a political escalation that has devolved into a pitched battle. There have been clashes already. The hours are getting by, and the Aam Aadmi Party's workers are sitting there in protest. It's become virtually a kind of dharna outside the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. Let's try and listen in to some of the leaders speaking right now.
इस तरह की कायराना हरकत कि जब यहाँ पे वॉलंटियर्स, कार्यकर्ता, जनता अपने सीएम से मिलने को बैठी हो, डिप्टी सीएम जमीन पे बैठे हो, सारे विधायक सांसद जमीन पे बैठे हो और सीएम साहब आदेश दे रहे कि भाई अंदर आने दो, ये पता नहीं किससे परमिशन मांग रहे। ये आपको बताया इनको अमित शाह जी का फोन आ रहा। अरे भैया, अपने बस की बात में आम आदमी पार्टी कार्यकर्ता है। साथियों, हम तब तक नहीं आ सकेंगे जब तक सबको नहीं जाने देते हो। मतलब हद हो गई। डिप्टी सीएम इधर से कह रहे हैं, फोन पे स्पीकर पे सीएम साहब के सेक्रेटरी को लेके सबको सुना रहे हैं। अरे किसी की हिम्मत है।
We're going to keep an eye on this developing story because clearly it's becoming a kind of a platform for a lot of sloganeering and speeches at this point of time. Politics wherever you go, that's the name of the game here in this country. So we'll have to see how this situation evolves. Our reporter on the ground, Aishwarya, is going to keep an eye on this and bring us the very latest. We're going to shift away from this for just a moment and we'll take you back once there is a development from there.